everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Plan with Vivi. We are going to be planning out the month of January in my 2018 Erin Condren LifePlanner. I'm so excited to be jumping into this baby right here. So this is my new planner. It has this Art Deco cover on it that my BFF picked out. As if you didn't see my haul of video from this one, she picks out my planner every year for Christmas, and I am surprised by the cover because she picks that one out herself. So that is the cover, and we're gonna go ahead and jump right on in. So we have this nice vellum cover, and I went ahead and put my name right here with my handle at Plan with Vivi underneath, and I just did this off of a Word document and printed it out on a sticker paper, cut it out and stuck it right down there. And then we go on to this page here, which I bought let me show you guys real quick. I bought the Color for Circles sticker pack from Erin Condren, and these are these sheer stickers that you can put out or put on the dates here in your planner. I used the green one to mark paydays, and then the metallic foil ones, I used the rose gold to denote family birthdays, the gold ones to denote special events or holidays, and the silver ones to commemorate anniversaries on here. So that's how I'm doing those dots there. Once I find out like my niece's early releases and stuff like that, I'll go ahead and put those in as well. But that's what we've got going on so far. On this page here, I don't know quite what I'm doing with this page yet. I do have the designer sticker book for the monthly collection for 2018. I have it here. I don't know exactly if I'm going to use these in these boxes here, but I have that option. So this is still in the works of how I'm going to use that page. So here we are for the month of January. We have the Trust in the Magic of New Beginnings here, and here we have the monthly spread, and we have the note spread. So the kit that I'm using again is another one from Planning Choco. I cannot help it. Her kits are just, they're screaming out my name. They're calling to me. They're just really cute. This one is the Cozy Winter, using the Cozy Winter clip art. I used the weekly kit in December for a Plan with Me, and she came out with this, the same clip art for the monthly spread of January, and I just thought, oh my gosh, I love this. Love this one. This one's going in my May planner. The other kit that she came out with is going to be going into my Rewind planner, which will pop up shortly here soon. So let's show you the kit. So here we have the monthly page with the header up at top and the deco here at the bottom, and another header here, some deco boxes here, the date dots, some page flags, some art deco on here. Then we have the sidebar, the headers for that, the icons, some skinny box or skinny appointment boxes, some full boxes here, some build use, some glitter sticker like washi, and then here we have for the note page, which kind of excited to see how I'm going to do this because I don't quite know how I'm going to figure this guy out, but we're gonna do this together. So speaking of which, let's get started on this page here. So I am going to, let's see, does that go up at the top? This is all gonna be like a very new experience because I've never actually ever really decorated the notes page as far as using it in a functional way, but we're gonna go for it, right? We're gonna see how it looks, because you're like really excited to do this, but then you also don't want to screw this up. So I don't know exactly how this is supposed to fit. let's try it this way. Maybe we should just stick it alongside here. Flush up with that. I think that's how it goes. Well, that's how it's gonna go, right? Because I stuck it down. All right, so there we have that. And then I have no idea what these gold boxes are, or what these circles are for. What are you guys using? These circles for? I don't know, but let's see. So I did get a recollections planner to be my rewind spread, and I'm going to, this is so not cooperating with me. So, oh, lost my train of thought. I did buy a Recollections vertical planner. One, because they were on sale, and I wanted it to be like my rewind planner. So I was going to be using that. I was going to be using that for planner challenges, and I'm thinking of it being a more talk through, because I know my regular Plan With Me's are sped up. I usually try to get those done under 15 minutes. But with the rewind planners, I just figured that would be something more of a fun thing to sit down and kind of enjoy that one, talk to you guys, answer questions. So if you want any questions answered, you can always just go to my Instagram account, and when I post, I'll post like a picture on like my Hello January. Just post in the bottom in the comments box for that any questions that you have regarding planning, what makes me decide on like kits, my planning style, why I plan the way I plan, anything like that. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments box there, and I will answer those questions for you guys. So I figured that's what I will do with that one. I'm going to continue to kind of ramble on while I do this one, and then I will speed up once we get to the month part. Let's see what else. What do I feel like putting else? We'll do this one. This is going to be kind of interesting. And then, let's see here. I kind of like these little stickers here. Can you see? Am I going off screen? That would be so awful. You probably can hear my cat in the background. It is basically his witching hour right now, where he starts kind of acting crazy. And this is my very first neutral planner, so I'm kind of excited about that. Never had a neutral planner before. But I am super hyped and thrilled about this. I don't know what exactly I'm going to use these for, but I kind of like them. Whoa, let's not do that. So I'm going to put these down here. So, are there any Harry Potter fans out there? Because right now, as I'm filming it, they're doing this Harry Potter marathon on Freeform, and I'm like all excited about that. I love watching Harry Potter. And I think I read the last book like in 24 hours. I think it came out and I had the day off after it. I had the day it came out, I was working, and then the day after I was off, and I think I stayed up and read the whole entire book in 24 hours. Less than 24 hours. I think it took me 23 hours to read the whole last book. And for someone who has ADD, that's saying a lot. So I think we have that down. I think I'm going to use these pink dots here. I hear you. What are you guys doing for your New Year's resolution? Ow! He just totally jumped on me and clawed me. That's what that pause was. Ow! See there. Still don't know what I'm really going to be doing with this page, but hey, we've got it decorated, right? That's all that matters. I think it's a very interesting design, this note page, compared to what it was before. It was just lined. A line page. So I'm going to get these dots down. And we're almost done. One more. All right, that's it there. And this is what I've got left over. So that's kind of fun and interesting. All right, so we're gonna get to planning out the month of January. There it is. We're gonna see how it goes. So I'm going to take a break real quick, and then we're gonna get back, and then this is gonna be planned out, but in speed motion. So stay tuned. of 2018. This is January. I think this is Kit B from Planning Choco. Again, it is very cute. I'm loving the colors. It's still kind of shows winter, even though, you know, I live in Texas, we don't really have that much of a winter, but still, I think it is still kind of cute and cozy. I really adore it. I'm probably going to go back and color in the Elena's that I used for the birthdays, but other than that, this spread is pretty much complete. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you want to see my other plan with me videos, don't forget to hit subscribe. And that's it for the plan with me, guys. See you next time. Take care of you. Happy planning and bye.